Well, hello, my name is Jason and I am going to explain the integrative activity. First, in this first exercise, we identify that there are two alcohols, the OH. Then we identify the main chain that has the alcohols. So we found that the main chain has 13 carbons. Then we start counting to the nearest alcohol, but in this time both of them are in the fifth carbon. So we start counting to the side that has the nearest branch. So in this case, we start in the left side. So then we identify the rest of the branches. So finally, the name is 10 sec butyl, 11 ethyl, 2,2,4,6,7 pentamethyl, 7 propyl 3-decane, 5,9 diol. We named it by alphabetical order. And finally, the important part, which are the alcohols. Then the next exercise, we identify that there is a ketone. It is a ketone because it is in the middle of the main chain. So we start counting the main chain in the nearest side to the ketone, which is in the down part. So finally, we count that there are 11 carbons in the main chain. So we identify the rest of the branches and we write them in alphabetical order. So it is 4-ethyl, 6-isobutyl, 2, 3, 7, 9, and 10. Sorry, 2, 3, 7, 9, 10 pentamethyl, undecane, 5-on. It is ane because it is also in the first one. I forgot because it is they are an alkane. So they are ane because they only have single bonds. And finally, the ketone, which is in the fifth position. Then the next one, first we identify that there is a amide. So we know that the amide is always the first carbon it is the first position. So we start counting in there to the longest part of the chain, and there are in the main chain 10 carbons. Then we identify all the branches and we order in alphabetical order. So we start 3 terbutyl, N because N counts as a position. So N isobutyl, 4 isopropyl, 9 methyl, 7 propyl decane amide. So it is also an alkane because it only has single bonds, and at the end amide because it is an amide. Finally, the last one, we identify that it has an ether. So then we identify the main chain that connects to the ether. So we identify, we count, the ether counts as a normal branch. So we start counting to the side which has the nearest branch. In this case is the left side. So we identify the other branches and finally we name them with the alphabetical order. So it is 3, 4 diethyl, 9 isopropoxy. It is isopropoxy because of the ether. We add the oxy suffix. Sorry. Then 2-methyl undecane. It is also an alkane. That's why the ane at the end. So that's it. Thanks.